Final fugitive in large Jamaican lottery scam extradited to the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The final fugitive captured in Jamaica in a lottery scam targeting Americans has been extradited to the United States to face charges. A Jamaican counterterrorism and fugitive apprehension team arrested Gareth Billings on the island on February 23rd. He made his initial appearance in the U.S. District Court on Thursday. Billings is among a group of 15 suspects still being prosecuted in what is believed to be the first large-scale Jamaican lottery scam tied to the United States courts. Authorities say at least 90 Americans lost a total of more than US $5.7 million. A federal investigation resulted in conspiracy, fraud and money laundering charges against 27 people. All have pleaded guilty or being convicted except Billings and 2 other suspects. The case is being tried in North Dakota because the investigations began there in 2011. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.